combination of a Sitka Spruce top with Sapele back and sides produces a wonderfully bright and full-bodied sound, which is further enhanced by the resonance from a genuine bone nut and saddle. Its thoughtful construction, featuring an upgraded X-bracing system and an exceptionally thin finish, allows the guitar's top to vibrate freely for optimal sound projection. The comfortable C-shaped neck profile and smooth fret ends make forming chords and playing up and down the fretboard an effortless experience, especially for new players. A uniquely designed, smaller walnut bridge contributes to a surprisingly rich bass response, adding impressive depth to the instrument's overall tone. The included gig bag is exceptionally protective, boasting 10 millimeters of thick padding and a supportive neck rest to keep the instrument safe during transport. This comprehensive bundle provides everything a budding guitarist needs to start playing immediately, including a tuner, capo, and extra strings.